Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure the bell notification is lit. You guys do not want to miss out on any updates. This is a money bag alert. Of course, the project that I launched with one of the most amazing teams in DeFi, one of the most amazing communities in DeFi now, and of course, this project with utilities stacked on utilities. Let's talk about XPX and get everybody up to date. The project bridging tokenomics and technology, everybody. It's happening. 4 months old. We have staking live. We have lending live. On the 30th, we launch the unlimited reloadable virtual Visa cards for everybody. Only 21 countries are not accepted, but everybody else can order one of these cards and spend tomorrow. We got the likes of Dabatola. We have big KOLs, devs, many people already using our cards. It has taken off very well, and I'm going to get you guys up to date. So these are the unlimited off-ramp solution, no limits, used globally, reload instantly, mobile payments enabled, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. You guys do not want to miss out. There are some big things happening in November. Of course, it's no secret, we're going to be releasing our gold physical cards, everybody. Right now, you have your unlimited Visa cards that you guys have your step-by-step guide that you guys can register, order your unlimited virtual Visa card connected to your Apple Pay, Google Pay, and spend your crypto. Over 60 cryptocurrencies, load up and spend on the go, everybody. Very bullish. Over 60 cryptocurrencies. You guys do not want to miss out. We're talking about the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, the Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche. The list goes on and on and on, and the list will continue to go on and on and on, because XPX is here to provide the pickaxes and the shovels to get the job done, everybody. That's what we're here to do. That's exactly what we're built to do, and that's what we're going to do, everybody. We will fulfill this all the way. Very exciting times. Obviously, people making passive income back to back. You are being paid to hold. Big shout out to Smart DeFi. What they have provided is absolutely amazing, everybody. And seeing XPX leverage that all the way with people making passive income every single day. The chart goes up, you get paid. The chart goes down, you get paid. The chart consolidates, you get paid. The chart pumps, you get paid no matter what. You get paid to hold. And we actually have a couple giveaways that I want to talk about. The first one being right here, the physical attraction competition to celebrate the upcoming launch of XPX physical cards on November 1st. We are planning a competition. $100 worth of BNB for the first place, $75 for the second place, $50 for the third place. All you have to do is like, comment, repost this, tag a friend, and join the TG, everybody. Very simple. This is the physical card giveaway. Big shout out to the team. This looks absolutely amazing. That is actually my gold Visa card that Marlon made into this graphic, everybody. This was what you will be having very soon. November 1st, you guys get to order your own card. That is my actual card that he actually made and made a post out of it right there. So coming very soon, you guys will order your gold card as well and be able to have your conversation starter and people asking, hey, what's this gold card about? Why is it so heavy? What are you doing with that? Well, I'm pumping gas. That's possible. I'm paying for dinner. That's possible. I'm flying over Las Vegas with no doors on the helicopter because I just want to spread XPX all over. That is also possible, everybody. So I want you guys to keep in mind that we have a lot of things coming. One that's going to be very exciting, of course, is the physical cards, but we also have a 5K giveaway, everybody. Yes, 5K giveaway on XPX. Let's go ahead and get this started right here. I don't want you guys to miss out. So 5K in crypto, 5 winners, $5 million market cap is the finish line. Buy 1K of XPX, stake 1K of XPX token, register for your virtual Visa cards at xpxtoken.com, and join the TG and DM me at Rico Moneybags, everybody. That's simple for proof of entry. And people are entering back to back, and we're having some solid holders, everybody. Something else that I want to highlight that made me feel really good is that other people are acknowledging that soon this meta will take fire, everybody. It's going to get some traction. Check this out. Does anyone even build stuff anymore? Or is it just a path of least resistance? Just pretending you are a priest and telling everyone the coin is a religion, everybody. We are building over here. We are not getting in the way of meme coins. We are providing utility to meme coins, to XPX, to everybody. That's what we are designed to do. We are going to spread this thing full blown. This thing will go mainstream. And we will continue to grind and get our chart to these market caps, right? Because at that $5 million market cap, we go into that next realm, everybody. It's going to be so much fun. So let's go ahead and talk about this chart where we're at, this correction that we're having, and we're already starting to build up. Every project has a pullback, everybody. We have found our support. Our community is feeling very bullish. Tomorrow, we start our 10-day countdown, and we have some amazing, amazing media, some amazing artwork done by Marlon and the rest of the team to get this pumped up for November 1st, and even more things that I got cooking up. So when we launch this November 1st, we already have people using their virtual Visa cards. We have people excited about their gold Visa cards to come. We have people excited about that 5K giveaway that's going to happen. And November is going to be where the marketing turns up a lot more, where we start to head towards breaking all-time high. When we break, and I know we will, break $5 million market cap, everybody's going to be so excited. You will be so pleased with your bag. And just like I talk about every project in the space, this is what I got marked up for everybody over here at XPX. Let's scroll down and just take a look at it, everybody. This is how small this is going to look when we reach $10 million market cap. And then the same thing that happens to everybody in the space, when they break $10 million market cap and they hold above it, you see 20, 30, 40 million. And the possibilities are endless, everybody. We see PayPal on the top 100s. We see Venmo coming into the space. XPX Pay is here to stay. We want a slice of the pie, and it has our name on it. We're going to eat our cake and have it too, everybody. And this is what all this pullback is going to look like at one point. When we're at $10 million market cap, people are going to be like, man, I really wish that I loaded up when everything was just consolidating. It's going to look this minuscule, everyone. And we're going to be so excited, making all-time highs after all-time highs. Retail is getting ready to come into the market. We're seeing BTC head towards, 68,000, 69,000. When it breaks all-time high, there's going to be more new money coming in. We want to establish these floors higher and higher and higher. For when retail comes in, we're going to have a pump that's even higher than the floors that we have already. I am looking forward to this. I know we will accomplish this. I am working on some things behind the scenes. The team is working on some things behind the scenes. We are very excited for November, everybody. This is your time. This is the sound the alarm. This is the DCA entry right now where you get in, where you fit in, everybody. So very excited for what's to come in November. If you're new to this channel, if you're new to XPX, join the TG. Check out the vibes. We got constant giveaways. The vibes are always positive. We got staking rewards. We have a lending protocol. We have unlimited virtual Visa cards, physical cards coming soon, and even more in December. We are already working on 2025. We know where we're going for the where we're going with this one, and we're going all the way, everybody. Top 100 cryptocurrencies, life-changing money is right around the corner. We're going to see an influx into this cryptocurrency market like never before. I'm so excited for everybody. We are so early, so early. What is this going to look like when we're over $5 trillion market cap? Well, we're at $7 trillion market cap. All of our favorite projects, especially projects like XPX that has things to offer for when people come into the market. You don't think they're going to want to switch from savings to staking? You don't think they're going to want to switch from loans to lending? You don't think that they're going to want to eventually be able to use the crypto that they now love, right? We're not getting in the way of anybody. We're talking about off-ramping multiple different blockchains, USDC, USDT, Shiba Inu, Leash. We're not getting in the way of anybody. We are just providing the pickaxes and the shovels. And these people made generational wealth. Last time, the gold miners did that, everybody. And we're here to provide the tools for everybody to navigate this space. And if you provide value to this marketplace, the marketplace will provide value back, and you guys will see that value get put right into XPX, especially when we start doing the buybacks, especially when we start doing massive giveaways. This is built for all of us, everybody. So let's continue to grind. Let's keep pushing. I can't wait to see us celebrating that 5K giveaway at $5 million market cap. I promise you, a lot of people are going to be almost floating that we're giving away 5K, that we actually broke our all-time high. It's going to be sensational up there, and I can't wait for us to do it. The plans are in the works, and I can almost feel it already, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe. Get ready for this journey, and if you're not, at the very least, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.